Got that fresh silver. Oh my God. I just noticed something. What the hell? Ah, man, we done got a whole nother problem. What up, YouTube? We back at it, man. We back in the garage. Today we about to get some work on the Silver Bullet. I got a lot of parts I'm about to go ahead and assemble. I got the front fender down there. I'm about to go ahead and throw in that joint because we finally got our powder coated legs up on that thing. And I know we still wait on the motor, but I got a few parts I can still put on here. So we about to make progress as much as we can until we get everything we need. So that way, when these wheels are hot and ready this week, we can go ahead and throw everything up on there. So stay tuned for that, man. We're about to get that, and then I gotta wire the bars and put everything else for that to get the front fairing fully complete. So we're gonna have that going on the way, and I gotta give me another radio. So stay tuned for that. Make sure y'all get in to win to the Silver Bullet giveaway. We got first place for our 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500 paired together with our 2019 Roadglide right here. We about to put together today. So understand that. Second place, we got our 2015 Roadglide right here. We about to go ahead and finish busting down. We're about to get that paint to Antonio probably this weekend. I'm just waiting to get these last few parts. So understand that. We got everything on the way. I'm trying to get everything flowing and going. So that's the whole thing about it. We in the garage working, about to put this work in so we can get these things on the way and sliding. I'm about to finish up the last few things on this red 2015 so I can get this thing to the winter. I'm trying to really go out there within like the next day or two. So that's the thing about that. I'm trying to get that thing 100%. I need to take it on the freeway today. Hopefully if I get time to get to it. So that's the main thing we aiming for. But besides that, we sliding, not hiding. Make sure y'all enter to win to the giveaway at BUILTBYDRE.BigCartel.com. It's in the description below if you cannot find it. So understand that. We got the sliding, not hiding hats, blue and the red. 2 spots for 1 hat. We got the sliding, not hiding patches. 1 patch, 1 entry. But yeah, man, that's the whole thing about that. Those are the only products, the last ending products of this giveaway. We about to end this thing real shortly, real soon, man. So understand that. But we about to get to it, y'all. We sliding, not hiding. This thing is wrapped up. Yes, sir. Got that fresh silver. This is a 23 wraparound. This bike has a 23 and an 18. This one has a 21. This is the Big Daddy with the 23 on there. So we got the 23 wraparound. Oh my God. Oh my God. I just noticed something. Why are the circles not on here? What the hell? That's cool though, but dang, I gotta drill my own. Ah, man, we done got a whole nother problem. Damn. Where is, right here. I got so many spacers for these new ones. And it got the hardware. That's what we need. I got a few more. I gotta find that last 4th bolt. But yeah, these are the spacers that we need to put these onto the bike. Let's make sure these match up. Yep. Right up on that joint. So pretty much what we got to do with this is, let me, hold on, grab the paper, lay that back down, lay that down. You gotta basically mock up this on there like that and drill the hole. So I gotta get some tape and some other stuff, something to hold this down real quick. But yeah, we gotta do this and then we can put the fender on. So this just became a whole new task, y'all. But we gotta do what we gotta do, man. We in the garage. That's all we got. Man, look at all this I got on. I got on goggles, I got on a hat, the face mask, I got sparks flying everywhere. I'm by the gas tank trying not to catch fire. Dude, let me tell y'all, and I seen one of y'all comment on a YouTube video that I just posted yesterday. It's like, you know, it's no need for a grinder. I literally overlooked that. Soon as right now, I got it halfway cut off to come out of the handlebars. I'm trying to unbend it right here. I start grabbing it. Why the whole thing pulled out? I can't believe this. I should have just paid more attention and got my pliers and just yanked it out. I'm over here grinding this, trying not to cut the gas tank, cut the paint, nothing crazy. But that's just funny as hell, man. That's comedy. But you know, you live and you learn. Now we know. That's crazy. At least we got it done, though. We about to get these bars on this joint, man. So stay tuned. Y'all about to see what's going on right now, man. We getting to it. Y'all see what's going on. Enter the win while you can. I'm telling y'all, it's game time. We are almost sold out. We only got a few hats and patches left. This could be the final week. We could be going live this Friday, man. Get in to win it while you can, man. It's game time. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got the bars up on this joint looking good. I'm loving the way this bike is coming out. I really cannot wait to get these wheels because all this is really nothing. I could finish all that, but it's like I need these brackets loose to get that rear axle with the tire on there, so I don't want to really start bolting all that up. So stay tuned for that. We're going to get that motor on there, get all the accessories and everything. Today, later on, I'm gonna upload this video after this. I'm gonna put the other stock wheels so I can get it off of the jack and have it rolling. Get this thing running and riding, get this thing loaded on a truck for delivery. And then we're gonna have only these 2 bikes in here. So stay tuned, that's the progress we're trying to make and get done. Y'all see how far we done came, getting the fender on, drilling the legs for that, grinding this off for that. Wasting that time that I could have just pulled it out, but it's good. We still got the job done at the end of the day. We got the bars on there. Y'all see how I look as a full image with the black legs, black bars. We still got the crash bar. Stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have the orange crash bar. I was gonna do black, but I'm gonna do orange just so we could blend it back and forth. Like back here, I got to get a black light bar. We're going to go ahead and have that. And then we're going to try to get a black luggage rack to have on there to have it complete. So stay tuned for that. We're trying to get everything on there nice and good. Like I said, how we got these on here right here. We're going to have these powder coated orange on this bike, how these are black. So it's going to stand out a little bit more. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got everything looking a lot much better than it just was, man. And that's the whole thing about it. We're still waiting on a few major things, but we're going to make progress as much as we can. And I want y'all to really see, because it's going to be y'all bike. Like, I really need y'all to understand this is y'all bike that I'm giving away, just like we gave this one away, but it's about to finally get released to the winner. So stay tuned for that, man. We are sliding, not hiding. We still got second place coming live. We're about to cut those legs off today, get that up off of there, and get this thing taken apart to the paint shop. I want to powder coat this chrome so bad, and I swear to y'all, every day I'm trying to stop myself. So I think today I might end up cleaning the chrome and shining it just to make myself a little more turned on into the bike. So stay tuned, man. We getting it in and we working. Y'all see what's going on. Enter the win to the Silver Bullet giveaway. Where y'all got the time right now, because like I said, this could be the last week, man. But like I said, get into it and we sliding, not hiding. Catch y'all in a minute. I appreciate everybody for tapping in with your boy, tuning in. We sliding, not hiding.